What's going on, guys? Haven't filmed anything in the last couple days. The last thing we filmed was when we took the Odyssey over to the track, but I've definitely been busy the last couple days. I just chose not to film. I've just been kind of getting things done around here. I know Emilio's been kind of trapped over at his place because ever since the Honda broke, it's been hard for him to get around since that was his daily. So we need to get the Honda fixed. I think in the meantime, he's gonna try to find a daily to get around. But yeah, ever since we got back from the track in the Odyssey, I went right ahead to take the transmission out. Got all that pulled out of there. I was trying to figure out what happened to the clutch, and it turns out that one of the discs pretty much welded itself to this center plate right here. Odyssey's just making too much power, but obviously got way too hot and disc kind of fused itself to that plate. That's why the clutch was all locked up. We're not sure why that happened though. Maybe it's because the Odyssey is a little heavier than what that clutch is designed to handle. But then again, the H in here doesn't make a crazy amount of power. And that day at the track, it wasn't making nearly as much as it should have been. So we're not too sure why that froze up like that. I was practicing the launch when it happened, so I was preloading it pretty good, and it must have just got too hot and welded that disc to the plate. There's also some material stuck to the inside of the pressure plate right here. It's kind of dark, so you're not going to be able to see it. But I got it right here. I can show you. Right on the corner of this disc, you can see that chunk that's missing right there. And there's like little bits that are just missing off of the discs. And those are actually stuck to the inside of the pressure plate. And also there are some pieces stuck to the flywheel. Right there. Kind of hard to see. Sorry it's so dark, but not sure what we need to get it all back together. I'm not sure if we just need new discs and the centerpiece. Not sure if the flywheel needs to be resurfaced and what to do about the pressure plate since there's still some pieces stuck to it. I sent an email over to Clutch Masters and asked them about it. So waiting to hear back from them. But yeah, Odyssey is going to need some work on the clutch before it can go back together. And obviously it's just going to sit here until that happens, and then the hatch is just sitting because the transmission is going back into the Odyssey. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm going to put the tranny back in the Odyssey, see what it can do, and then we'll get something figured out for the hatch. But the hatch is sitting over here all sad because she's missing her tranny as well. We do have some new 5.9s for the hatch as well. We need to get those installed. That will be later on, obviously, once I get the hatch back together. And yeah, so that's what's going on with the Odyssey. I did that the day after the track. And yesterday and today have been spent working on Wago. So I'm apologizing right now because I have not been filming what I've been doing. Like I said, I've just been trying to get things done. Hey, can you be quiet over there? Sorry. Nick's working on his WRX. But yeah. But yeah, I've been working on Wago the last couple days. Got a K-tuned harness. I was waiting for parts to come in, but this actually just came in. We got the K-tuned tucked harness for the engine, and we also got the K-tuned power steering and delete kit, or AC delete kit. And the harness came with alternator power. Still need to wire that up. And I've just been messing with wiring all day today, trying to figure this thing out, and I'm almost there. Also picked up a K-Pro from Brent. And then we also have the K-tuned EF conversion harness in here. This converts everything to hook up into the dash. I will show more of this in another video, but this video is pretty much just going to be kind of updating you guys with what's going on. So like I said, sorry I'm not going into detail about all of this, but I will once I get everything sorted out. And yeah, she does actually fire. She's only running on like 2 cylinders right now though, for some reason. Number 1 is not getting spark. And I'm not sure if it's like a bad coil. I'm slowly diagnosing it, but it's almost there, guys. Actually, I think the battery's plugged in right now. And I can see if I have the key. Show you guys a little sneak peek that she does crank. The Wago's definitely coming along, guys. Oh, she almost fired. Oh, see that? She almost runs, but it's still a little rough, so still working on Wago. She's getting there. But yeah, let me think. What else did I do? Drop my key. I also got some fuel lines ran. Right now they're pretty jank, but I was just doing all this to make sure everything works. It does make fuel pressure, everything's working good there. And also, if I didn't mention this, this is a Sidewinder manifold that I'm borrowing from Roman. He is doing a K-Series EG hatch right now, and he's not going to be using this for a while, and he does plan on cutting this end off right here to convert it from T3 to a T4. And he said I can borrow it for now because, like I said, he's not going to be done with that for many months to come. And I think for now I'm probably going to use one of the eBay turbos, preferably the one that's on the Honda, so then we can put the bigger turbo onto the Honda, and then I can use that eBay turbo on Wago just for a little while until Roman needs his manifold back, and then I'll pull that off and figure something else out, probably have Hayden make one. But she is getting there, guys. And yeah, sorry this video is kind of rushed, just trying to show you guys what I've been up to. I'm also trying to figure out what to do with the shift linkages as well. I was hoping I could have used the factory wagon shifter, but it turns out I'm not going to be able to. The way it pushes and pulls is opposite of the K-Series one. So here, let me show you real quick. So if you go all the way up and back, that puts you in reverse. And if you look at the shifter, that's reverse right there, and it goes forward because it is backwards. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to modify anything underneath there. I haven't really taken it apart yet to look at it, but the way it's looking is I am gonna have to get a K-Series shifter, which is fine. I just thought it would have been cool if I could have reused the wagon shifter. I also got this piece bolted on that houses the water pump, got the K-Tune power steering and AC delete pulley ready to go right there. I just need to get the alternator, put that on so I can run the belt. Then that will be ready to go. I need to wire up the alternator. Still missing some things for the harness, like the fan and a couple other miscellaneous things here and there. But for the most part, all the sensors are plugged in and ready to go. I also need to depin the injector plugs on this harness and repin them to some new plugs to fit my injectors. Right now I have these pigtails that are ran also kind of janky just to kind of test everything. But I need to depin these and put them into the plug that fits my Gram 1000cc injector. The plugs that came on the K-Tune harness are for a different injector, so gonna have to redo those. But she is definitely getting there, guys. I have stayed busy. Like I said, sorry this is gonna be a really kind of out of the blue video. Want to keep you guys updated, and we will be getting back into the regular schedule. You all good over here?
Where's the 17?
The 17? Dude, who knows? Just changed a CV axle out on his WRX. His old one was completely destroyed. The end of it was like giving out. Whenever you would turn to the, which way, right or left? Anyway, to the left, it would just be like tut 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 tut.
Yeah, no good.
So yeah, he's been working on that as well. But that's pretty much all I have to say for right now. We do have some really big news that I want to share with you guys, but we have to hold off just for a little longer just to make sure everything's all good. You guys will find out soon enough what I'm talking about. But as of right now, the time I'm filming this video, we're literally like 100 subscribers away from hitting 500,000, which is awesome. By the time you guys are watching this, I'm sure it will already be there because I'm not going to upload this video for a few more hours. At least I have some other things I need to do tonight. But that is just crazy. I'm already going to say thank you guys enough, and I'm going to be saying it again after we hit it. But that's coming up. It's awesome, and that's one of the main reasons I really wanted to at least post something today, because yeah, that's just crazy. And I know Emilio is trapped, like I said, so we need to get him some transportation. Brent's been super busy this week as well, but we are all gonna get together here very soon because we have something pretty exciting to announce, and I'm not sure exactly when I'll be able to announce that, but it will be coming very, very soon. But yeah, there's definitely a lot more I will go over. I'm gonna re-go over Wago, make another video once I get it up and running and everything's all good. Actually explain what I did with the harness and all that for you guys that wanna know. And yeah, there's definitely more to come, but wanted to make a quick upload for you guys just so I don't leave you stranded for 3 more days. And it's gonna be it, so thanks for watching.